Welcome all. In continuation to this series about what's new in 2021 release wave 2, today we'll be talking about another small feature which is more control over address information data entry. With this change, what Microsoft have done, and let me open my Business Central, is on the general ledger setup, there's a new boolean added which is require country, region, code and address. Now if you read the tooltip here for this field, it says specifies whether to clear the zip code, city and state fields when the value in the country and region code field is changed. So whenever we'll change the country and region code, do we want to clear the zip code, city and state or not? That is now controlled from this boolean. Now, as far as the documentation is concerned, it seems to be applicable only on customers, contacts, and vendors. So let's give it a try. So we haven't enabled that boolean. If I come here and change the country from US to, let's say, let's pick anyone. Let's say Australia. It automatically clears up the city, state, and zip code. But if I go back and enable it on general ledger setup, let me revert it first back to US if it is not, so that we can see the change. I'll choose a city, let's say New York, and these values are filled in. So now if I go back to my general ledger setup and enable require country, region, code and address. Now if I go back and change it from US to Australia again, the values of the city, state and zip code are still intact and they haven't been changed. I'm a technical consultant. I might not know how or in which situation this feature can be utilized. Let me know in comments how you will be able to utilize this feature, and we'll meet next day with another small feature. Thank you.